Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ivy Nganga, and if this is your first time on my channel, welcome to my channel. Today I'm feeling quite creative and inspired, so I decided to go back to trying out this kind of winged look. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I've been wanting to do something purple also for a while, so that's what we did here today. I actually had to refilm this particular video because the first footage I had was not that good, and I loved this look so much, so I had to refilm it for you guys. I hope that you will enjoy this video. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do hit that subscribe button below, and don't forget to hit the notification bell as well so that you're notified every single time I post a video. Yeah, thank you so much for your support. Let's go right on ahead and watch this video. I'm going to be using my Morphe X James Charles palette. This is now my favorite palette at the moment. I've been creating so many looks with it, and today is not any different. I'm going to start with this dark purple. Oh, and I've already worked on one eye because this was taking too long. I just didn't want to have to do both eyes. So I'm going to start with packing on that purple color that I've just shown you on my outer crease, and then bringing it all the way into my inner corner. I'm using my flat dense eyeshadow brush to pack on the product because it does such a good job with packing on the product and just allowing you to get the color payoff that you want. Again, don't forget to put on your eyeshadow primer or like a concealer as a base for your eyeshadow to pop, otherwise you will not see any color payoff. Now, since my eye is hooded, I just want to take that product above my hood a bit so that it's visible when I open my eyes. Otherwise, it can't be seen. After pressing in the eyeshadow and achieving the color payoff that I wanted, I just slightly blended using the same brush. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan, and I'm going to create my wing before I pack on the red color. So I just want it to start from somewhere in the middle, right there. I'm now going to go back into my palette and I'm going to use the red color. This is like another one of my favorite colors at this point. I use it so many times. I'm using an angled eyeshadow brush to pack on that product. I'm not so keen on just making it very precise and very neat because we can just clean that up. The most important thing is just for you to get enough color payoff and for you to get your desired wing. So I kept on adding more color until I was satisfied with how it looked. I'm now just cleaning that out using a wipe so that I can get my desired look, and then I just went in with a more detailed eyeshadow brush to make my wing more precise. You just need to go back and forth with this because it can take some time. I even went back to the other eye just to make it as even as possible. I wanted both eyes to at least try and look the same, even though most times that is not always the case. But yeah, just keep going back and forth. This took some time. I felt like I was not getting the precise look that I was going for. I had to go back and forth quite a couple of times, so don't even worry about that. Just keep going back and forth, use concealer, do whatever you have to do until you get your desired look. That's exactly what I did, and especially if it's your first time trying it out, it will not be easy, but don't give up. The most important thing is to keep doing it, keep practicing until you're able to achieve your desired look. I'm now adding a bit of concealer in my inner corner because I want to go in with a bit of shimmer. I always do this just so that my shimmer can pop a bit more, and I'm going to use that purple shimmer right there, and this particular one is not very pigmented, so I was using my finger in this one just to be able to achieve as much pigment as I could, packing it on as much as I could to achieve the look I was going for. Moving on to the lower waterline, I'm using the dark purple color that I had started with just to smoke out, I don't know if I can call it smoking out, my lower waterline, but it's very important to make sure you don't forget the lower waterline even as you work on your eye. Then what I did was I blended that out using the detailed brush with the red color on it. I normally feel like doing this makes the whole look come together really well and it doesn't look like there's something that's missing. I love using black eyeliner on my lower waterline, and that is something that I can never not do. I've been doing it for so many years and at this point it's just like a part of me, you know. And what I'm using here is the Maybelline Colossal Kajal eyeliner. Then I went in with a bit of liquid eyeliner on my upper waterline just so that it can hide my lash band once I have applied my lashes. The last thing I love to do is mascara, and I'm using that Maybelline mascara. I love to coat my eyelashes with a bit of mascara before I go in with the fake lashes because I feel like they blend in together really well, and especially for this particular look my lashes had some red color, some some purple color, so I just wanted them to be black for them to blend properly with the fake lashes. I'm also doing the same on the lower lashes just so that the look can look complete and just so that they can pop the way they should. I'm now working on my face as I wait for my lashes to dry, but I'm just going to be fast forwarding everything else because I wanted this look to be all about the eyes and I don't want this to be a very long video. And then I'm just going to come on here and I'm going to show you guys the full look. This is the final look. I love the way it looks. I kind of wish I had loose glitter though, because that shimmer color was not as popping as I would have wanted it to look, but we move regardless. I love the way it looks. It's not too bad. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and of course subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.